So welcome to Off Grid with Dave and Kelly. It's New Year's Eve here. We had a little bit of snow last night and it's pretty mild out. I'm gonna clean out the driveway here. It's calling for colder weather, and if we drive on it, it's gonna get packed in and then it'll freeze, and that's no fun coming up the driveway on. But that's the plan for today. Fortunately, I haven't had a video out in over 2 weeks. I know I had mentioned before that I was having issues with my card and batteries dying, so I ended up having to order a new card and I got more batteries. So hopefully that takes care of all the problems, and we'll carry on hopefully with every week putting out a new video, and we'll take it from there. So let's get this driveway plowed. So as you can see, when I came out here, the sun was shining and it was really nice. And then when I was plowing, it started snowing like crazy, and now the sun's back out again. So this is typical Cape Breton weather. If you don't like it, wait 5 minutes and it'll change. That's just the way it is here. But for my blade here, I've added this on. I don't know if anyone's seen that before. I think I have showed it before, but I just put hydraulics in for the swing. It just makes things so much nicer for plowing. And then with these links here, I've got more space here than I do over there, so I can push my blade out that way, so that it's nice for going along ditches and everything. Even when it's swung, it still sticks out past the tire. It wings it back better. This time of the year, I don't know if you noticed that I was pushing all the snow. It seems to dig into the stone a lot less. I don't end up with as much stone on the grass in the summertime. Once things freeze up, then I'll pull the snow. Then it's not as bad. But when it's still soft yet, I always prefer to push it, and that way I leave a good majority of my stone in my driveway. I don't have to keep going back and putting more stone in. In the summertime, if I'm doing ditching, I use my side link here to angle down. It drops the one corner of the blade down. I can make a nice ditch, basically a nice swale. It works really nice with that. So that's a little bit on how my back blade works. I think it has a lot of functions on it, or multi purposes. It works really good for me, but I guess not everyone has the same needs as what I do. So not saying that it's the perfect fit for everyone, but for me it works good. It has multiple functions, and that's the way I look at tools. I don't like one of tools, because if it only has one purpose, then it's just sitting there waiting all year. I mean, there are some things that you can't get away from, rototiller, bush hog, but that's just the fact of life. But anyhow, hopefully everyone had a Merry Christmas, and we'll have a Happy New Year. And if you like this video, please subscribe, and we'll see you next week on the next video. So bye for now, stay warm and stay dry.